If you've ever tried to automate PDF validation in your test suites, only to run into problems with mixed content, dynamic data, and inconsistent formatting, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to cover 3 PDF validation scenarios within TestComplete. The first one will be a very simple scenario where we validate all the data inside of a PDF. The second one will run through a recording of the PDF, interact with it, and then save it for future automation. In the third one, we can validate data from a third party, like an XML file, to validate that the text that's inside of the PDF is exactly what's expected. To get started, let's go ahead and add a keyword test to our folder. Let's call it PDF validation. And all we need to do is really look for the PDF validation checkpoint and add it to our test. And I'm going to point to my PDF. What TestComplete does, it basically takes a PDF and skims through it and picks up every single text character that's in there, and then you could decide what you want to validate. When you finish, we could run this test to validate the PDF checkpoint, and we'll see that it passed. Just for context, let's see what that actually means. So this is a PDF that I'm validating, and I only chose the first page, and we validated that this text exists. In the future, if this text ever changes, the test will fail because you implied that you will always validate that this is the data that you expect. Let's run through our second scenario. This time, we're going to actually record the interactions with the PDF. So let's say record test steps. I'm going to refresh the page just so that TC can capture the PDF location. And I'm going to zoom out. And that's basically all I wanted to do for this test for now. I'll stop the test. In order to validate now, we can add our OCR operation, which uses Google's Vision AI behind the scenes to capture the data and transfer the text that we want to validate. Once you add the OCR checkpoint, you can point to what you want to validate, and TC highlights a red box around what it can see. So as you can see, it's that first page. Click on Next, and it's iterating through the page to see what text it's captured, and then we can decide what we want to validate. For this demo, let's just choose Care New England, click on Finish, and now we're all set with our validation. Let's go ahead and run this test to ensure that it works correctly. As you can see, TC jumps into the file, zooms out just as I did during my recording, and once the test is finished, we'll jump back into TestComplete, and TestComplete gives me the green thumbs up, mentioning that everything passed. All right, so now let's go through our third scenario, which is a little bit more complex. It's meant to extract data from a data source. In this case, it's going to be an XML file to ensure that the data exists within the PDF file. All right, so I have some scripts here that will basically pick up the XML file, extract the data, and then I have an additional script that will validate what I want to pick up. In this case, the variable validate is what I'm picking up, which contains some text that's being pulled from the XML file. For context, the data that I'm pulling is Care New England. All right, so I've added these 2 scripts into a keyword test, as you can see here, and now we could execute it. As you can see, TestComplete picked up the data from the external data source, validated, and passed the test successfully. By integrating PDF checkpoints, OCR capabilities, and dynamic data sources like XML, teams can fully automate complex document validation workflows without needing external libraries or custom scripts.